Welcome to uKnowva HRMS Foundation Course Series. In this video, we'll walk you through configuring menus using the Menu Manager to customize your HRMS instance. Let's get started. To begin, log into your uKnowva HRMS account as an admin. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select uKnowva Configuration. This opens the global configuration page with a side panel. Locate and click the Menu Manager option from this panel. Once in the Menu Manager, the center of the page refreshes. Use the Select Menu field with the drop-down menu to choose the type of menu you want to configure. For example, Apps Toolbar menu lets you configure menus like Social, Downloads, Forums, Polls, Dashboard, and People. These menus appear at the top of your uKnowva instance. Left Main menu allows you to configure menus displayed on the left side panel, such as Profile, Leaves, HR Master, Team, Attendance, My Finance, Requests, Reimbursement, Approvals, Timesheets, and My Performance. Each menu also has submenus listed on the same page for further customization. To configure a menu, click on its name. A pop-up window will appear with the following fields: ID, a unique identifier for the menu; Title, edit the name of the menu if needed; Publish status, toggle to publish or unpublish the menu; Parent, choose a parent menu from the drop-down list. By default, it's set to root. Accessible to, specify user groups or individuals who can access this menu. Make the necessary changes, then click Save to confirm or Cancel to discard the updates. For adding and editing, or for advanced configuration, reach out to the uKnowva customer support team for assistance. And that's it! You've now learned how to configure menus in uKnowva HRMS using the Menu Manager. Thank you for using uKnowva HRMS.